Hey YouTube, what's up? So I wanted to share this with you guys. Got a package here and I want to show you what's going on with it and what's in there. So as you can see in front of you, we have my Apex that I fly, and you can kind of see the mount. Well, it's kind of busted, so I guess that tells you what's going to be in the package, huh? So these are good. This is for the Hero 10, the one I run, and I've been flying this, well, ever since I got the Hero 10 with this mount. But as you can see, there's kind of not much real estate there holding that camera, so we don't want to lose the camera. And you can see this is what my other one has went through. So yeah, I was kind of in need of some mounts, and I work now, so I really don't have time to get my printer up and running. And I say up and running, but just a matter of putting the filament in and just doing the little thing. It does set it for printing, but it's just the time, you know, and I don't have it at this moment. So I reached out to Brian, Mystery D, and went ahead and got some prints from him. I asked him for some just Hero 10 bones, and man, he did the tri-colors, the double color. That is dope. And some antenna mounts here. And also, when I asked him about it, it was just, you know, hey, could you just make me some Hero 10 mounts, bud? Well, when I got them in, here's another one. Check that out. That black and blue is really pretty. So if you notice on this quad, the FPV camera's here, the lens camera's over here. Well, on these, the FPV camera's here, and the camera's here. So he actually designed these for this and set everything up to where it's everything center. That is awesome, because I was not expecting that. I just wanted some, you know, mounts off of Thingiverse I'd have been happy with. But, you know, he went through and designed them, made them thicker than what they were, because the footing on this one, it was just the design, the way it was. It's literally just was so thin, but so much, you know, more rigid now. The SD cards, I would just burn a hole through there, but I'm not going to do that with this one. I'll take the camera out and switch it out. But yeah, I wanted to say, if you guys need any prints, Brian, he's the one doing the prints now. If you guys need some prints, be a link in the description down below. You can reach out to Brian, and he'll take care of you guys. He does it really nice, takes care of you. As you can see, the prints are on point. I mean, you can't not complain about his work, so at least I can't, and I'm actually a maker myself. So Brian, I appreciate you, and thank you, and hopefully, you know, someone will need some prints and they'll know where to come to. Guys, have a good one. If you need any prints, go check out Brian, Mystery D. It's good peeps over there. And thank you for watching, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Have a good day, and happy flying.